Welcome to While We Were Distracted, the podcast where we explore topics that often get overshadowed in the rush of daily life.
This is the brief on the future of automated and wireless charging. Right now, our daily reliance on charging cables is kind of like being tied up on a short leash. But Finnish researchers are leading a massive push to finally cut that cord, completely eliminating human intervention from how we power everything from giant public buses to tiny medical implants. First, let's look at the macro scale. Researchers at Tampere University are looking into autonomous public transport. I mean, think about it. If a multi-ton bus is actually smart enough to drive itself, why on earth should a human still have to manually plug it in? To be truly autonomous, the charging process has to be fully automated, using things like overhead pantographs, inductive ground pads, or robotic arms. But we gotta be careful, because this new infrastructure opens the door to physical threats, fire hazards, and cyber attacks. Second, let's scale things down from massive ground pads to localized power for everyday objects. Universities like Aalto and Helsinki are using resonant coupling and magnetic induction to beam power to small electronics right through the air. But here's a sharp reality check. This won't replace our traditional power grid anytime soon. Since efficiency absolutely tanks as the distance increases, it remains strictly a short-range complementary tech. Finally, to bridge that distance gap for low-power devices, the University of Oulu is working on something wild called BD-RIS. Basically, think of these like smart automated mirrors in a maze, perfectly bouncing a laser beam onto a hidden target. That's exactly how BD-RIS flawlessly bounces radio frequency power around physical blockages to charge devices that are completely out of sight. So while we aren't abandoning the traditional electrical grid just yet, the future of power delivery is rapidly becoming invisible, automated, and entirely hands-free.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next episode on While We Were Distracted.